Thank you very much.
Dozens gathered for the LE Public Memorial Library's construction kickoff event Wednesday. Renovations include an all-new third floor with a 200-seat community room and modernized study rooms. Outside, there will be a drive-up window for visitors to pick up materials. Bob Ironman, one of the fundraising co-chairs, says an engineering firm came in to evaluate the library and noted it needed to be renovated soon.
We realized quite how dire the straits were with the building. They estimated we were going to have to spend somewhere between $5 and $8 million in the next few years just to keep the building going.
Eau Claire's Market & Johnson is the project's contractor. The city of Eau Claire invested $11.5 million into the library's renovation. The goal was for $7 million to be raised through private donations. As of Wednesday, 96% of the project's fundraising goal has been met.
I am very excited for the future of the library for our community. It's been amazing to see that over 600 donors have come forward to help us. Community supports one another, and it's been wonderful to see that happen in our community.
We have been sincerely overwhelmed by the community support in this project. Countless efforts into the design.
The contents of the library are now at its new location, 2725 Mall Drive, and moving that many books wasn't easy.
Logistics of moving an entire library were really intricate and involved, and a lot of labeling, a lot of stickering. Fortunately, librarians are very organized.
Most of the library's normal services, including appointment-free walk-in visits, will be reinstated when the Mall Drive location opens in mid-May.